Hello children. In this topic we will start wave optics. And the first topic is Huygens principle. We know that light is a wave, and whenever it travels with the speed of light 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, if the time taken is equal for all the particles, then they cover the equal distance in the same time period. Now we can define wavefront as it is a continuous locus of all particles of a medium which are vibrating in the same phase. Vibrating in the same phase means if they cover equal distance, then the phase between them will be constant or that will be zero. So they are in the same phase. We have three types of the wavefront. First is called spherical wavefront. If the source of a light is a point source, then the wavefront is spherical. This is a point O, it is a source of light. Now we can say first particle is moving, second particle is also moving, third particle is traveling. We can say fourth particle is traveling, this is fifth particle traveling, this is sixth particle traveling. If V is velocity and it is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second and T is time, and according to Huygens principle, the time taken should be equal. So the distance covered, this is equals to V into T. Now, the first particle and all the particles, they cover a distance, this is equal to Vt. Now, if we draw a sphere, then like this, then we get spherical wavefront. So, here O is a point source of light and the wavefront obtained, that is spherical. Second is cylindrical wavefront. Cylindrical wavefront. This is a source of light and this is a slit. Then light particles are producing in every direction like this from each point. Now, if we join or draw the tangent, then we get the cylinder. So this is cylindrical wavefront, we can say. If source of light is a slit, then wavefront is cylindrical. If the source of a light is a point source, then at the far distance away the light becomes parallel and the wavefront is obtained as a plane wavefront. This is a plane wavefront. The wavefront obtained on the surface of Earth is always plane wavefront. Plane wavefront because at large distance sun is point source of light. Next is Huygens principle. According to Huygens principle, every point on the given wavefront acts as a new source of light or disturbance which is secondary wavelet and it travels with the velocity of light in all directions. Second is if the tangent is drawn on the secondary wavelet and only the forward direction, then at any instant it gives a new position of the wavefront. S is the new source of a light. This is AB, is a position of all the particles, and here A1, B1 and A2, B2. is a tangent drawn on the wavefront. So this is the forward envelope and this is the backward envelope. Only light travels in the forward direction due to the forward envelope. What are the limitations of the Huygens principle? Light do not travel backward because intensity of a light I is equal to I naught into 1 plus cos theta. Here for the backward envelope it is 180 degree. So I is equal to I naught 1 plus cos 180 minus 1. I is equal to I naught 1 minus 1 0. So intensity of light for the backward envelope is 0. So the ray of light do not travel backward and it travel forward, it is only due to the forward envelope.